I wanted to hop on here today to talk about one of the most common questions we get here at Relief Strategies regarding debt settlement, which is, will it hurt my credit score? Look, this is a fair question, and the honest and short answer is yes, debt settlement can impact your score. But the full story is a little more complicated and a lot more important to understand. You see, most people don't start researching debt settlement because things are going great. Most people start researching debt settlement because they're already struggling. Payments are already late. Cards are already maxed out. They might even already be in collections in some cases. So, the truth is, in many cases, your credit may already be in trouble before you ever begin the process of debt settlement. Debt settlement doesn't cause the damage, it's often a response to the damage. Now, if you're still current on your debts and you enroll in a settlement program, yes, your score is likely to drop. And it's important to understand why. You see, debt settlement is based on negotiating with creditors to accept less than what you owe. But creditors don't negotiate with people who are current. Where's the incentive? They have no reason to. That's why one of the most important and intentional parts of the process is choosing to let your accounts fall behind. That's where the leverage comes from. Once an account becomes 90 to 180 days past due, it's usually charged off. And that's when a creditor is most often willing to actually consider a settlement. It's not a loophole, it's not neglect, that's just the way the settlement process works. And yes, those late payments will show up on your credit report, and your score will reflect that for a while. So, what do you get in return for all of the damage to your credit score? Well, first of all, you get to reduce your debt, often by 40 to 60% of the original debt, which means you get to free up a significant portion of your income. Now, let's say you're paying $1,200 a month in minimums, and your settlement plan costs $450 a month. That is a $750 difference. That's $750 a month back in your pocket to catch up, start saving, or just simply stop living on the edge. Stop living month to month or paycheck to paycheck. Debt settlement isn't just about what it does to your score, it's about what it does to your debt and therefore what it is going to do for your life. All right, now let's talk about rebuilding. Most people can begin working on their credit again within 6 to 12 months after completing their settlement program, once the debt is resolved and the late activity stops. Why? Because once your balances are reduced or gone, two major things improve. Your debt to income ratio, meaning lenders see you as less risky, and your credit utilization, meaning you're using less of your available credit. Those two factors matter just as much as your score when it comes to getting approved for loans, housing, or even cars. So, even with a temporarily lower score, your overall profile ends up being much stronger once you've done that. So, that brings us back to the original question. Will choosing debt settlement hurt my score? Yes, that remains unchanged. It can, especially if you're current when you start. But in context, it's often just a temporary setback that leads to long-term progress. For a lot of people, debt settlement is the first real step towards financial stability. It's not the end of it. In our next Q&A video, I'm going to be walking you through what you can do to preserve your credit during the process, as well as how to rebuild it after the process has been completed. If that's something you think would be helpful, make sure you follow us for more.